Okay, hi. I'm Max, and I'm gonna show you how to start and maneuver a chainsaw. Now, first, for the safety mechanism of this, when I first start showing you this video, just so I don't get my hand cut off, I took the blade off earlier.
The chain.
Yeah, the chain. Still should call it blade. Anyway, what you're gonna want to do first is check your fuel, which these take premix, and this is a Poland 1250.
That's a Kawasaki KX500 chainsaw.
and then you want to check your bar oil right here, and right here this is your primer button. What you want to do first is fill it up with premix. Check your bar oil, even if it's a little bit too low. You always fill your bar oil up. You can never get too much of that. You prime this 7 times. There's your primer button. This is just for the Poland chainsaw. You switch you pull. Here's your choke. You have an easy start. You have a lock trigger, so the trigger only goes in when you push this little thing down.
Okay, let's start it up.
Then what you're gonna do is, on your first start, pull it out to just 4, and then switch your thing to on, and then pull it just at 3, and then start it. And then after your first start, then just leave the choke on too. So here we go.
Look at that, first shot. All right.
And that's it. That's the Poland chainsaw. As you can see, it's got the chain spinner still moving. As you can see, it's got an easy pull start. And
show us one more time.
Okay.
Look at that. Oh.
It's just the gas is up.
Yep. There. Nice.
It's probably out of gas, but and then you push your choke in, push the button down. Oh wait, the choke was off. That's why. Yeah, the choke was off. Yeah, it's dead, but because the gas, I'm out of gas. But I'll try one more time. I'll put the choke on full.
Okay, one more time.
It's dead, but
that's all right.
Put your choke back in, push your button down, and then boom.
And that's
That's
it.
the Poland 1250 chainsaw.
Right on.
Watching.